Tired of those little shortcut arrows cluttering up your otherwise pristine Windows desktop? They serve their purpose, but let's be honest, they aren't the prettiest today. I'll show you how to get rid of them and achieve a cleaner, more streamlined look using two different methods. First, the manual method. Using the registry editor, a word of caution: messing with the registry can cause issues if you're not careful. So follow these steps precisely. Type regedit into the Windows search bar and hit enter to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, navigate to HKY_classes_ROT, then find and click on the file. Inside the file folder, you should see a key named IssuedKit. Right-click on IssuedKit and select Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Now, navigate to hey_classes_ROT and find pfile just like before. If you see the IssuedKit key, right-click on it and select Delete, then confirm. You'll need to restart your computer for these changes to take effect. Once your computer restarts, the shortcut arrows should be gone. If you're not comfortable editing the registry, there's an easier method using a third-party application like WinArrowTweaker. Download and install WinArrowTweaker from a reputable source. The link will be in the description below. Open WinArrowTweaker and navigate to Shortcuts, then Shortcut Arrow. Here, you can select different options for the shortcut arrow, including none. To completely remove it, simply select your preferred option. Depending on the software, you may need to log off and back on, or restart your computer for the changes to be applied. And that's it. 2 easy ways to remove those pesky shortcut arrows. Which method do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.